So I just got this stump grinder. It's 252 and I got it, brought the engine back to life. It had been sitting for a long time and I got a whole bunch of smoke coming out. So I pulled it, had a whole bunch of oil in the cylinders. So I gave this a head gasket job on both sides. So I put the new heads on and everything, bolted it down, all new bolts and everything, started it up, still smoking, just not as bad. So I was like, well, I saw somebody say something about the seals, and sure enough, take this off. I had totally missed this. You see this one here has a rubber seal in it. There's a rubber seal here. This is my exhaust one, and it's just totally gone. There's not even nothing in there. So, got the new valve stem seals on order. And I'll do this side again, do the other side, and that should stop all the smoking coming out of the muffler.